Here are 3 findings that completely destroy the brave people don't feel fear myth, each backed by a scientific study. Finding number 1, when people act bravely, the fear circuit doesn't get quieter, it gets louder. Israeli researchers Yuri Neely and Yadin Dudai, in a 2010 paper in the journal Neuron, scanned the brains of people who were deeply afraid of snakes while they chose whether to bring a live snake closer to their own face. They expected fear to vanish in moments of courage. Instead, the amygdala, the brain's fear center, stayed lit. What activated in the brave moments was a separate circuit, the subgenual anterior cingulate cortex, a region linked to overriding fear with intention. And here's the twist. The more subjective fear someone reported feeling in that moment, the harder that override circuit fired. Bravery wasn't the absence of fear, it was a second system stepping in on top of it, scaled to the size of the fear that it was overriding. Finding number 2. People who feel no fear at all aren't brave, they're reckless. There's a rare condition called Urbach-Wiete disease that destroys the amygdala. A patient known in the literature as SM has it. Researchers at the University of Iowa, led by Justin Feinstein, studied her in a 2011 paper in Current Biology. They handed her snakes, she petted them. They walked her through a haunted house. She laughed at the actors instead of flinching. In real life, she has been held at knife point and gunpoint and reported feeling no fear even afterward. SM isn't courageous, she's endangered. The conclusion researchers drew was clear. Without fear, there is nothing to override. And without an override, there is no such thing as bravery. A fearless brain isn't braver than yours. It's missing the part that makes courage possible. Finding number 3. Confidence doesn't come before action, it comes from it. Stanford psychologist Albert Bandura built his entire career around a single finding. The most powerful source of confidence isn't a pep talk or a mindset shift, it's mastery experience, doing the scary things, surviving, and showing your brain you handled it. Every act of courage, no matter how small, becomes evidence your brain uses to update its model of who you are. You don't think your way into bravery, you behave your way into it. So, if fear gets louder during brave moments, not quieter, and if no fear at all means no courage at all, and if confidence is only built by action, then maybe brave people aren't a different species. They're the ones whose fear got loud and they moved anyway. You don't have to feel less afraid, you just have to act anyway. Send this to a friend who is feeling scared right now. Our Inner Mountain Masterclass dives deeper into the neuroscience of courage and how to use it. Link is in the bio. And follow us for more on why courage is built, not born. Save this for the next time fear tells you to wait.